working president of the National People's Party (NPP), Badepet Yaka Rilom Garo Marcuise N Marak, Uloong Bakim Kwa Satyapan Koop Tangba ka jingkyrmen part ka don, baga party kan lebha hakinik election MDC ka Bansalong Shen, House number 1 ha Garo Hills Autonomous District Council GHADC. Habakran bikila patay kubor, Marcuise, Badru ya ka syuki Menteri Sarkar ka jela uloong, bakidan bon ba akidaw, ki bakom ka party ka dan ka jingkyrmen, ban lebha ha ka nik election kamtam na ka jingerap ya ka council, habayade bat ka jingsiyo ya ka tulam.
Well, for GHADC elections, we have not started the campaign as such. The process for selecting the candidate is still on. In my first notification as an election committee for NPP, we have given the date for 14th November as last date for submission. But so many requests came in, and after hearing them, I have extended the time of last date of submission for party sponsorship is now November 30th. So only after that we'll be able to update anything. And based on the applications constituency wise, we'll be having a series of meeting in the election committee. Election committee will be consulting the district committees and to the block committees as well. And of course, the consultation with honorable MLAs also will be there. So after that, we will forward it to the state committee and then further for the national committee. We should be able to complete the process by second week of December. Government has also done so many things for the district councils. As you are aware, the issues which were, disturbing functioning of the district councils were resolved very recently by Honorable Chief Minister by announcing and also by constituting a committees and subcommittees, and through them everything has been resolved, and now the functioning of the district council has resumed, and then payment also has already started. Very recently, when Honorable Chief Minister was there in Garo Hills, the employees went to Honorable Chief Minister and they have expressed their gratitude to Honorable Chief Minister for releasing 1 year's salary and also the monthly salary of November 2025. We have not decided how to go about. It will depend on the election committee, party committees, how we will go. Whether to go solo, whether to go with coalition partners, that will be decided later on. But as for the same tenure, it ends by April next year. So probably the election will be decided most probably by February next year. I don't say that it will be a cakewalk because every election has a different test altogether. You all know that. So definitely Congress's web has gone down. The kind of web they were trying to bring in has gone down after the Bihar election. So therefore, it is to be seen what kind of a web will be there in the district councils. So obviously, we are hopeful of getting support from the people of Garo Hills because the state government is performing under the leadership of Conrad K. Sangma, which is the majority party, that is NPP. And in district council also, we have resolved the issues pertaining to district council issues. So therefore, we are hopeful because the district council process of reformation has already started. Now in district council, we need reform, and people of Garo Hills also need that reformation. So it is possible only with the mandate given to if mandate is given to NPP party only. So MPP can assure the people of Garo Hills that we will be able to provide stable and then vision-wise reformation for district council in Garo Hills.